She's got you high and you don't even know yet.
Chemistry is used in medicine to formulate different combinations of chemicals to make medications. Chemistry is important to medicine because it helps in finding the cure to most diseases. Understanding chemistry also helps us to understand how vitamins, supplements, and drugs can help or harm you. The chemical industry, along with the brilliant minds in medicine, have made significant discoveries and improvements over the course of many years that have led to the better treatments for a lot of medical conditions. Along with advances in the technology, the three fields have united to create the best offers for men and women of all ages.
Romance alive and hope she's gonna tell you. What's this about? I figured love would shine through. We've lost romance.
For example, generic drugs are one of the latest developments in chemistry that not many people have knowledge of, but that is a significant improvement to traditional pharmacy drugs. Licensed pharmaceutical companies and their many teams of professional experts in chemistry and medicine have created medications with the same ingredients as traditional drugs that are sold in the pharmacies. However, the difference between these chemical compounds and the generics are the name associated with the medicine, which in many cases stand for an important ingredient.
Atoms and combinations of atoms make up all substances, including food. Chemistry studies how atoms interact with each other and the changes that occur when that happens. When you heat food, freeze it, mix it, and store it, you are making changes to the atoms in food, and all that boils down to chemistry. Most of our food is made up of chemicals. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are particular types of molecules and amino acids that combine in predictable ways to make up a food. Taste, texture, and appearance can be altered by the addition or substitution of chemical food components. Food scientists work with the chemistry of ingredients in food to improve the quality and stability of the food. They study the use of chemical flavors, thickening agents, stabilizers, and preservatives, and apply their knowledge to improve existing food products and develop new ones. Some examples of application of chemistry in food are food changes, quality and taste, preservation, packaging and preparation, and pesticides and herbicides.
Chemical weapons involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. This type of weapon, combined with the biological and the nuclear weapons, make up the weapons of mass destruction. This is a particularly good example of how chemistry can either be used to good or bad, depending on the use that we give to it. An example of chemical warfare is mustard gas used during World War II, not particularly to kill the agents, but to harass and enable the units.
When the lights go out, will you take me with you?
How do the gas absorb the radiation? The bonds of the carbon dioxide, methane, or water can bend and absorb the infrared radiation, which causes the molecule to vibrate. This absorption gives the molecule kinetic energy. The vibrating molecule then emits some of this energy in the form of infrared radiation. This extra kinetic energy and radiation make them transmitted to other molecules, and this causes a general heating of the atmosphere. The greenhouse effect of a gas depends not only on its concentration in the atmosphere, but also its ability to absorb infrared radiation. This absorption emission process keeps heat close to Earth's surface.
Every single day when people try and put the piece
decrease the melting of polar ice caps are to recycle, to use bicycles, and to make a law that they cut electricity in the houses for an hour.
In this video, we as a team learn about the importance in chemistry in our daily life, because chemistry works with another science like physics, medicine, and biology to obtain new advances in technology. One example is the silicon used in microchips that make iPods and cell phones work correctly.